What is good? What is good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you? What's good? You what's good? Making a quick run. About to go get my little ones here. So I want to run, get some quick little kicks real quick. And going through like a garage here, leaving the doctor. But I wanted to shoot this video today, guys, because I literally wanted to talk to you all about the programs that we're doing here, man. And with Christmas coming, you want to really be positioned. You know, I'm in position with a lot of things that are going to allow you to make some additional income, and these things all make sense with each other. Nothing that I'm doing does not tie into each other. I'm literally doing funnels. You know, everything is all about you making an additional income. And what I really wanted to talk about in this video is because so many people, what is this lady doing? So many people will ask me, they'll say, so Jay, what exactly do you do, you know, to get people to join your business? So I'm always talking about, you know, join this, do that, blah, blah, blah. But I wanted to give you guys some value of why you wanted to do this here exactly, okay? I wanted to talk about why I chose to do video marketing. Because a lot of things, people don't feel comfortable with spending money with people they don't know. So I chose to do this type of marketing because people are going to build that relationship. I'm going to build that relationship with people. They're going to let that barrier down and say, you know what? I relate to this guy. You know, he's talking what I'm talking, and I want to join him. That's when people are going to join you. People join people. People do not join just opportunities and programs, because if that's the case, they would just join this damn program just because it's the best damn thing since sliced bread. But it's not that way. So we have to go out and we have to show people. So one thing that I try to teach people when they're talking about being in an online marketing business, or, you know, working from home, is that you want to shoot videos. I don't care what platform you choose. You can choose YouTube, you can choose Facebook, you can choose Instagram. It does not matter the platform. But all we ask you to do is at least just get started. You know, if you at least get started, you're going to have an opportunity to make some good money. It's when you don't get started. You don't get started, you're going to miss out on a lot of opportunities. You're going to miss out on a lot of ways that you can make money. So you don't want to miss that wave. So, you know, outside of YouTube, these are some of the things that I try to teach people. You know, just take that phone, change it to the side, and talk about this business. You know, talk about why you join. Talk about what motivates you. You know, at the end of the day, it's about you. You know, why people should join you. What do you have in line? What are the bonuses that you got? When you came inside this team, what did they offer you? Because if you're a part of my team, you can offer the same damn thing that I've offered you. That I've offered to you. So that's how it just goes, okay? So guys, I don't want to take much of a long time here talking about this stuff. I just want you to get started more than anything. You know, video, I'm letting you in. Guys, there's no push button system that I do. There's no one post that I do and get $1 million. No, I send out emails. I send out broadcast text messages. I have a broadcast text message. I have a phone number that when you call it, it sends out information to you. I give you all this because we teach you this in sales phones. I can take 40 to 50 bucks and I can go buy traffic, where I can buy people that are interested in making money. I can buy these people for them to see my business. You see what I'm saying? Targeted traffic to my list, to my link, okay? So, gosh, man, I hate riding with people. So, pretty much here, guys, I'm gonna leave a link, okay? Not much to it, just to do it and to get started, okay? Not a lot of questions. It's not difficult. It's just different, okay? Nothing's hard. It's just different. I'm gonna position you right. I'm gonna get you in the right position for you to do what you need to do. Now you need to take action. I'm gonna commit myself. I'm gonna offer the help. You just got to take action. So this your boy Jay, guys. Hope you have a beautiful and blessed day. We're wrapping up this video. Till the next one, peace.